Okay, Nalin Kohli will respond. I have a counter to both after that. Nalin Kohli.
Now may I come in, Mr. Goswami?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. First of all, since I was first part on the constitutional side, I'll answer that. Well, Mr. Owaisi, it's not a coincidence. The constitution is a deliberated, clear document in which the preamble speaks of equality, and Article 14, equality, precedes Article 25, which you do. And you're right, the directive principles of state policy follow the fundamental rights. So who's arguing with that? By your argument, I think you need to understand that equality is a much higher value than it would come in terms of a identity which follows the identity of an Indian. The second point you're saying is fear-mongering. I think Mr. Goswami, both of us will compliment him. Mr. Goswami has made the charge on you that you are fear-mongering. That's what exactly you're doing. I think the debate here is more about an Indian identity, about Indians and about the guarantees under the constitution rather than fear-mongering. That's why I said this is the khichdi politics. Put in everything there, mix it up, try to create confusion, because then a logical debate can't follow. My third point is at a human level. Let's move beyond the constitution. Mr. Owaisi may or may not have a sister, a real sister by birth, but he may or may not have a daughter, he may or may not have a wife, but he's certainly going to have a mother as everybody else. So the question that fundamentally follows is that should not a man or a woman by the constitution have equal rights?
Arnab,
and can there be anything that would come in the way of denying one segment of the population rights?
1 second, Mr. Kohli. Mr. Kohli, don't put it as a I don't want
Arnab, allow me.
1 second. Can I intervene and then you come in, Mr. Kohli?
No, this is not.
No.
I have to cross decency.
1 second.
Myself.
1 second, Mr. Kohli. I am allowing a rebut by Asaduddin Owaisi. I am allowing a rebut by Mr. Owaisi. Has the right to rebut. He has the right to rebut. He has the right to rebut. Go on, Mr. Owaisi.
I will reply, Arnab. I will reply in the same indecent way which Mr. Kohli has just now crossed the limits of
decency. No personal arguments, sir.
This is the problem with Hindutva forces. You don't have an argument, you become intellectually dishonest and you make a personal attack. Arnab, can I remind Mr. Honorable Kohli, you talk about my daughter and my sister. Where is the Prime Minister's wife?
No, Mr. Owaisi, you see the problem is Mr. Owaisi, no, 1 sec, Mr. Owaisi, now at this point, no, this has to stop. You come back to the subject. No, I am intervening at this point. Can I please, gentlemen, come in between both of you? And I'm making one point. Can I ask both sides to be quiet for a minute? 1 second, we request both sides to be quiet for a minute, and I request you to be quiet for a minute. And no, we were having a fantastic argument. Sorry, no, 1 second. 1 second, Nalin, now wait a while, okay?
Not at all.
Wait, can I request both the gentlemen, distinguished gentlemen, be quiet for a while?
No,
just Mr. Owaisi, now as an anchor, I'm requesting both of you. I'm making a genuine request to both sides tonight. I'm requesting both of you. I was actually enjoying this debate greatly because I think intellectually solid arguments being presented on both sides is good. Now, I would like to make a point out here. Mr. Owaisi, now Mr. Kohli, to you, please. I know you meant it as an argument. No, 1 second, 1 minute, just a minute. Mr. Owaisi, may I come in? Mr. Owaisi, I want to go back to the subject.
I don't come to your program. I don't go to any program
Mr. Owaisi,
wherein someone talks about my daughter.
No, Mr. Owaisi, now, can I come in out here? Can I come in out here? 1 second. Yeah, Mr. Kohli, let us go back to the subject at hand. Mr. Owaisi,
I am sorry, no.
Mr. Owaisi, now, can I say something? Can I say something to you? Can I say something here? Can I say something here, Mr. Owaisi? I didn't say anything, so 1 second.
Let me end.
No, Mr. Kohli, you have to be quiet. Mr. Kohli, you have to be quiet. Mr. Kohli, I request you. I need to take this debate forward. Mr. Owaisi, you must wait. Mr. Owaisi, no, Mr. Owaisi. Mr. Kohli, you must wait. Mr. Kohli, you must wait. No, Mr. Kohli.
I'm saying it on the record. May I just finish my point, Mr. Goswami, just hear me out. Mr. Goswami, I'm saying it with sincerity and with honesty. I did not mean this argument. I did not mean it as any kind of indecency or this. If Mr. Owaisi, even incorrectly, and I'm saying it, misconstrues it, I apologize for it because it's not meant to be that.
Okay. Now
So
can
therefore,
we move
Mr.
on?
Owaisi knows that I
Okay.
don't make personal attacks. I will not make personal
Okay.
attacks.
Can we
If
move on
Mr.
now from
Owaisi
that
feels
point?
that,
Yeah.
I apologize.
Okay.
Because it was not meant to be in
No,
that
okay.
manner.
Now-
in
now,
which
gentlemen,
he has
now.
probably misunderstood it. But let it rest. Why
Okay,
let it
now-
be?
now,
I'll
Mr.
turn
Kohli.
the argument onto myself and
Mr.
say, I can put the same words for myself,
Mr.
and it won't lead to anything else.
Mr. Kohli, now listen to me. Listen to me. I want to go back to the subject. I think you've apologized. You made your point out there. I'm glad you're done because sometimes you make a point and it can be misunderstood. And in this context, Mr. Owaisi has a right to
because
object.
it's not meant to be. And
Mr.
why would I want
Owaisi
to
has a right.